Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video we're playing with Happy Crafter Shop's items. I created this Memorydex card, I think it was last week, and I'm using her doily 2026 one, and I wanted to make a mini one. So I'm going to utilize, I used all 3 layers on this one, and I just stuck an extra piece of paper on there and used my punch that I'm going to show you guys today. You can use code Poochie10 to save on happycraftershop.com, you guys, 10% off your entire purchase. A lot of things are sold out, but things will be restocked. So make sure you guys keep a lookout here on my channel and on social media so that I can let you guys know when you can get them again. And then we're also going to be playing with her 3x3 nesting sets. Now these sets have sets of 2. I used 2 of the biggest ones from set 1, and then I used 2 of the smallest ones in set 2. And they give you the measurements here, okay? So that's what I did. I went ahead and I cut that stuff out. And we're going to create a mini Memorydex for this one. And then we're going to create 2 Memorydex with these. Okay. So this is the punch. Every crafter should have one of these, you guys. I didn't even know that We Are Makers made these punches. I have one from Heidi Swap for some years now. And when I saw that American Crafts carry this in their vault sale, it's on sale for like $11 and some change. And you can use my affiliate link. I'll list it down below. You get another 10% off. So it comes up to like $10 or even $9 and some change. So it's really affordable and it's a must-have, you guys. You can turn anything into a Memorydex card. All right. These papers are also from American Crafts Sunny Days collection. And you can use code. Right now it's on sale for the month of May. Everything on the American Crafts vault sale is on sale. You can use my code to get another 10% off. Those paper packs are 12 by 12 sheets. You get 25 sheets of those for $3.99, guys. And then with my affiliate link, even less. So we're going to go ahead and layer these from Happy Crafter Shop. This doily is so beautiful. Now, I did add a square aspect to this one, but I think for the mini, I'm just going to leave it like this. I don't know, guys. So we got those 2 layering pieces there. Now we're going to go ahead and glue these. Let me glue it and come back. There's so many things that you can do with these nesting dies. I personally love nesting dies. Make sure you guys check out Leanna It's a Deals channel. She came up with this really creative idea. She took these and she made those pinwheel embellishments. So make sure you guys check out her tutorial. I'm just going to simply take this, put it into my punch, and try to line it up as centered as I can. And punch. That is it, guys. There you go. You have a mini Memorydex card. Let's do this one as well. I'm going to say about there. Just eyeball it. And there you go. You have a set, a mini, and a regular size Memorydex card. Let's do this one. And I think I want to do it like this. So same thing. Line it up. Center it. And punch. All right, so I probably should have put the little square part, but I think it's fine. I probably should have put the square part, but I'm gonna go with it, guys. So that is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and embellish these, and we will have our Memorydex cards ready to go. So yeah, guys, I really am enjoying this new release from Happy Crafter Shop. Make sure you guys support her and go buy out her die sets when she restocks. Yes, I think I'm going to go with that. I'm going to cut this a little shorter. All right, so I'm going to add some foam to this. Just kind of mapped out how I want to embellish them. And I'm just going to add some dimension with some foam on these. I want to make them match. And I'm going to package these up really cute. But basically, I wanted to create Memorydex cards with these. Make sure you guys snatch that punch while it's on sale. Okay, so those are those 2. Let me add them.